In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save to OneDrive automatically in PowerPoint. By the end, your presentations will back up in real time, sync across your devices, and protect you from losing work. Start by opening PowerPoint. With your presentation on screen, head to the File menu, choose Save As, and select OneDrive. This tells PowerPoint that you want this file to live in the cloud rather than just on your computer. If you've never connected OneDrive and PowerPoint before, you might see a prompt to sign in. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. This is the same account you use for Microsoft 365 or OneDrive. Once you're signed in, PowerPoint can access your OneDrive storage so it can save and update your file automatically. If your organization uses a work or school account, that will work too, as long as it's connected to OneDrive. Next, choose the specific folder in OneDrive where you want to keep this presentation. Pick a location that makes sense for you, like a Projects or Presentations folder, and give your file a clear, descriptive name. Then, complete the save. PowerPoint now knows exactly where to store your changes. Look at the top left corner of the PowerPoint window and confirm that autosave is turned on. If it's off, click the toggle to turn it on. Autosave only works when your file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, so seeing it enabled is a good sign that everything is set up correctly. With autosave on, PowerPoint saves as you type, usually every few seconds. From here, just work as you normally would. Add slides, format text, insert images. PowerPoint will continuously save updates to your OneDrive. If your internet connection drops, changes are cached locally and sync to OneDrive once you're back online. You'll often see a small cloud icon indicating status. A steady icon means you're in sync. To double-check everything, go back to File and open Info. Look for the file location. It should clearly show OneDrive as the location. This is your confirmation that the presentation lives in the cloud and is being saved there. If it doesn't show OneDrive, repeat the Save As step and select a OneDrive folder. That's all you need. Open, save. As to OneDrive, sign in if asked, choose your folder, turn on autosave, and verify under File, Info. With this setup, your work is protected and always available wherever you sign in to OneDrive.